So yeah, let's talk about something else that I really like besides Vans. Like I really like drawing. I used to be really deep into drawing thing. Like back 1 or 2 years ago, I used to draw like pretty much like every day. But right now, I don't. I don't draw that much. I'm trying to get back at it. So, quick story short. Back in 2016, I was still in high school. I didn't have a job. I was still looking for one. It was summer, I guess. It was summer. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go online and watch a video on how to draw stuff, and that's what I did. I sit there, watch a bunch of video on how to draw stuff. So I got some of them, yeah, that I actually watch the video on how to draw them, and I did my best. Um, and yeah, it was that one that was supposed to be a panda. I watch it on the which other guy like is really good at explaining how to draw stuff. So I was watching the video and trying to draw it, and that was the final thing. But even though I'm not done yet, and I don't think I will be done. So yeah, it's supposed to be a panda, and that was supposed to be an eagle or an egg. Yep, that's an eagle right there. Then that one I really like it, even if it's not like as perfect as the one on the video, but I like that one because it's a line, right? And I like it because I'm a Leo. I was born July 28, 1996. So yeah, I just turned 22. You know, that's why I like it because it's a lie. It's a Leo. Leo. And that one's supposed to be, what do you call it? A nose or beard? I don't know. Yeah, I was supposed to do that, and that was about 3 years ago. And that one, I was just looking at random picture of people online. I tried to draw them. That one is, I don't remember. I remember. I don't. I really don't. And that one, that was when I was trying to draw some famous people. I was trying to draw MKBHD. It's a famous like tech YouTuber. I'm pretty sure you know that guy. I don't know, man. Hey, what's up, guys? I don't know if I did a great job or not, man. I can still let me know if I did or not. And more random thing, more random thing, more random thing, and that one was supposed to be a beautiful girl, but I just did my thing on it. That one was just, you know what, I'm just gonna do something. And there's more stuff, more stuff, more stuff, and that one, I don't know, messed up, messed up. I don't know about that. But it is that, and there's that I was trying to draw like a friend, but I messed that up. And I was trying to draw Up from Dragon Ball Z, and I do like animes too, and like comics and stuff like that. So since I was young, I was always trying to draw those, manga or anime personal. That was still Up from Dragon Ball Z. If you watch Dragon Ball Z, you know what that thing is. And I don't know who that guy is. And that's another person for Dragon Ball Z. I don't know, maybe, but I don't know. And that was either Go or Go 10, I don't know. And there's that, what is that? And there's random thing. Another random thing. Some more random thing. Random. Random. Um, Random. And I was actually watching Dragon Ball Super, and that was one of the guy from Universe 2, I guess. 2 or 3. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it was one of the guy from Universe 2 or 3. One of the three foxes yeah, something like that. And that's it. And that was Khalifa from Dragon Ball Super. I was trying to draw it right there. This Kefla from Dragon Ball Super, And that was a project that I have for my drawing classes. Same thing. right there. You can see it. Um, same thing. Same thing right there. Same thing right here. Okay, that's done for that. And then I got more of them. You know, I was trying to draw Bob Marley. I don't know if I did a great job or not, but yeah, I was trying to draw him. That's him. And I was looking at this cool comic thing.